Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. Tommy here, Sunday fun day in the garage. We're not starting any projects this week. I know I said that last week, but I'm not working on anything. I want to do a quick bike check on my Powerlite P24 that I built up a couple years back. I'm gonna be parting this thing out. I have a whole bunch of projects in the works, but I really don't have any room for this stuff. So that's one I'm gonna take out of the collection. But before we get to that, I wanna show you guys last weekend's Old School Arizona BMX show here in Tempe. I got some footage of some bikes that they had out there. They had some great stuff. The guys put on a great show. And I also want to take you guys out to the new Queen Creek pump track here. By far the best pump track in the Phoenix area as far as I'm concerned. So let's take a look at those. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you're in the market for a Powerlite P24 frame, that one will be available on BMX Museum. Just look up IRIEAZ. I'll probably have a few of the other parts that you saw in there as well up for sale. But be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.